Hello Numberblock fans, today we are going to explore our new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 13, or we can call 237 to 239. Alright, let's build the number block 237. For 237 has 200 peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 7 rainbow blocks, which means 237 is 200 plus 37. Well, 237 is not a prime number, but 237 can divide by 3, which is 3 lots of 79s. So we build 237 overall of the blocks. First, we build 200 light peach blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation. 30 light yellow blocks, and then 7 rainbow blocks, which put it at the top. So here is our first 100 blocks. Then we add another 100 more to make 200. Alright, here are 200 blocks. And then we add 30 light yellow blocks more to make 230. There, we got 230 blocks. So we need 7 rainbow blocks more to make 237. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. There's our number block 237. Then we attach face sticker all together. Well, 237 is made out of 3 lots of 79s, and 79 is the 22nd member of the Prime Club, so which means he should have not a football player sign. But 237 can divide by 3, so which means 3 lots of 79, so which means he have the 237 should bear not a football player sign. And also 237 is the gold miner. Well, the numbers which can divide by 79 should be a gold miner. And that's because the gold is the 79th member of the periodic table club. No club. That's why this number block which can divide by 79 should bear this, not a football player, and also a gold miner. And we also created a crown because he can split into 3 lots of prime numbers, 3 same 79s, 3 lots of 79s. Alright, we also created a numbering for 237. And here's our finished number block 237. For the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 238. So 238 has 200 peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 8 normal pink blocks. So we build 238 like this. But actually 238 is made out of 14 lots of 17s or 7 lots of 34, which means I can build into 14 by 17. But it couldn't catch 17 blocks tall, so I build like this. Right. Here's our number block 238. So 238 is made out of 14 lots of 17s, which means, or we can call 7 lots of 34s, which means 238 is the lucky painter, double lucky painter. We have pink eyes, eyebrows, and a splat. That's to represent the number block 8, because we got 8 pink blocks in overall 238. Oh, this is not a splat. This is the painter's hat. So sorry. And then we got rainbow eyebrows. That's because to represent 7. Because 238 can split into 7 lots of 34s. There, we got pink features. And then we also got a headband times 34. This is because to represent the number block 238 is 7 lots of 34s. So here's our number block 238 that we built today. Right. For the last character that we're going to build today is our number block 239. So 239 has 200 light peach blocks, 13 light yellow blocks, and 3 tiles of gray blocks, because 9 is made of 3 threes. So we build 239 into like this, 20 blocks wide. Then we attach the face stickers. So we know that 239 is the prime number, because 239 cannot divide it into any numbers. So which means can divide only itself and ones. So you know that 239 is the 52nd member of the prime club. So which means 239 is a secret agent, just like 26. Because 52 is 2 lots of 26s or 4 lots of 13s. So we created 239 into the secret agent, just like 26. We create gray eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. That's because we got 9 gray blocks in a whole 239 blocks. And also we got 2 accessories, one for his glasses, sunglasses, and one for his secret agent hat. We've almost finished. There. Here's our number block 239. But don't forget the numbering to notice the name of the number block characters. So here's our number block 239, which is the last character in today's video. So that's all of the characters that we built. Which character do you like the most? 237, 238, or 239? So please leave the comments. Well, that's all of the characters that we built today. If you want to see my new videos, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye bye.